Samco Machinery, global innovators in roll forming and value-added solutions. Presenting the rocker panel and angle reinforcer roll forming line with Accumulator from Samco Machinery. This state-of-the-art machine pre-notches, forms, punches, and cuts automotive rocker panels and angle reinforcers at line speeds of up to 100 feet per minute. It can produce reinforcers with a material thickness of up to 0.075 inches and a yield strength of up to 1,500 MPa. Left and right-hand rocker panels can range in length from 40 to 90 inches, have a material thickness of up to 0.040 inches, and a yield strength of up to 1,150 MPa. Raw material is fed from a double-ended 20,000-pound uncoiler through an end shear welder before entering the horizontal accumulator and flattener. The accumulator allows for continuous operation of the line, eliminating the downtime associated with loading a new supply coil. A loop control system with threading table helps to maintain sufficient stock in the line. The 400-ton H-frame press is capable of single stroking at 15 strokes per minute and continuous stroking at 15 to 30 strokes per minute. It is also equipped with a convenient slug removal system. A dual-purpose laser sensor counts and verifies holes as per the program pattern. Pre-notched and pre-punched material is then sent to the bottom-driven, rafted 23-station rocker panel roll former. This roll former is flexible and can be quickly changed over to accommodate one of two additional angle reinforcer sets. After roll forming, the product is embossed and cut to length by the hydraulic flying cut-off press system, equipped with a closed-loop length control system. Finally, finished parts are sent to the covered transfer table conveyor system, where parts are ejected to one side until a bin is full, and then to the other side, allowing for material handling with uninterrupted production. Scrap parts are directed straight out to a different bin. The rocker panel and angle reinforcer roll forming line with Accumulator, another innovation from Samco Machinery. Samco Machinery. People, products, and passion.